Nvidia's new Turing-based RTX video cards, the 2080 and 2080 Ti, are now available. Here at Adamant Custom, you are able to equip your machine with these new video cards. They offer innovative new features and superior performance to the cards of yesteryear. RTX-equipped video cards purchased at Adamant.com or through the Adamant Custom web stores on Amazon or eBay ship within 24 to 48 hours. Let's dive in and take a look at one of the computers that features the new cards. Adamant Custom computers use various brands of GPUs, but regardless of which brand you get, you can rest assured knowing that you will still have access to the same great performance and features that all of the RTX cards have. The two most amazing and innovative features that these new cards offer is real-time ray tracing and deep learning super sampling through the addition of Nvidia's ray tracing and tensor cores. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning, RTX cards usher in a new era of gaming performance and fidelity. Real-time ray tracing results in more photorealistic visuals, and light is physically modeled and rendered as it would occur in the real world. You can really tell the difference between ray-traced and non-ray-traced scenes as illustrated in Battlefield 5 and Metro Exodus. Deep Learning Super Sampling, or DLSS, replaces current methods for anti-aliasing and super sampling using artificial intelligence, resulting in crisp, lifelike images while running faster than previous generations. This is footage from Unreal Engine's Infiltrator benchmark that uses both DLSS and the older temporal anti-aliasing method. The performance difference is rather noticeable and it still looks great. The difference in performance between this generation of GPUs and the last depends greatly on developer implementation. For pure rasterization performance, meaning ray tracing or DLSS isn't being used, 3DMark's Time Spy and Firestrike benchmarks are good ways to determine rasterization performance. The Time Spy benchmark is designed to test a card's DirectX 12 performance, where Firestrike and Firestrike Ultra test DirectX 11 performance at 1080p and 4K resolutions. Compared to the 1080 Ti scores of about 6,600, 27,000, and 9,300 points for Time Spy, Firestrike, and Firestrike Ultra benchmarks respectively, the 2080 scored 9,300 points also, almost 29,000 points, and 7,200 points. The 2080 Ti blew these cards away, scoring almost 14,000, 35,000, and 8,100 points. This places the 2080 at about 4% faster than the 1080 Ti for gaming and rasterization performance, and the 2080 Ti at up to 39% faster performance with this benchmark. The new RTX cards are up to 6 times faster when using ray tracing and up to 2 times faster when using deep learning super sampling compared to previous generations. These cards are phenomenal future-proofing options because when all of these new technologies become more widely implemented, your performance gains will be abundant. And for now, you still get a noticeable increase in performance. This machine is based on Intel's Skylake X platform, so you can upgrade your machine with up to Intel's 7980XE depending on how much power you need for your machine. This gaming motherboard features Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, as well as an integrated Creative Labs Sound Blaster audio solution, great power delivery for overclocking, and support for up to 20 USB devices through both front panel and back panel ports. Adamant Custom machines also allow for the motherboard to be customized so that you can choose models that feature things that you want and removes what you don't. The platform supports up to 128 gigabytes of memory through 8 16 gigabyte modules. For most applications, RAM speed doesn't really affect performance, so just make sure that the kit that you get is compatible with your system. Most Micron, SK Hynix, and Samsung memory kits with speeds ranging from 2400 to 3200 MHz works totally fine. SSDs are quickly becoming the norm in computers, and so of course Adamant Custom machines feature them as well. This computer features a 1TB NVMe M2 SSD, but SATA options are also available. You'll want the NVMe M2 drives if you want just the fastest storage medium out there. However, SATA-based SSDs are still really good options if you're looking for a more cost-effective storage method, while still retaining a great deal of speed, and in some instances, SATA-based SSDs offer better write endurance than NVMe-based SSDs. When it comes to the new 2080, you can still expect it to outperform the 1080 Ti, but when developers start to implement all of these extra features that the RTX cards have to offer, your performance gains will skyrocket. EA, DICE, Blackmagic Design, Square Enix, and other developers have already committed to implementing these features in the future, and so it won't be too long, which makes these cards great future-proofing options. Don't forget that you can build and configure machines like this through Adamant Custom. Be sure to visit us on our website at adamant.com and on our web stores at Amazon and eBay. Links are in the description below. That's it for this video. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter. I'm David with Adamant Custom, and I hope that you have a phenomenal day.